Morning fire blaze pan Babylon wall. Youth man hungry while the preacher them a ball. Politricks deep like poison in a cup. Ghetto sufferer, tired of the system mash up. Mrs. Soldiers march through Kingston town. Mothers cry while the zinc roof tumble down. Yet your words still burn inside me chest like Ezekiel vision giving sufferer rest. Fastly the eat while the people them crawl. Concrete jungle turn cemetery hall. But Psalm of David still guide I feet. The wolf pack roaming every ghetto street. Liberation fire burn tonight. Shall light shine pon the poor man right. Seven seal open and the trumpet sound loud. Babylon kingdom hide behind dark cloud. You no want no chain pon them soul again. Too much blood run like tropical rain. Marcus words still echo through the lane. Black redemption flowing through the pain. Politicians smile with corruption tongue, while hungry picnic can't hold them long. Me hear revelation call through the breeze. Judgment ride up on the midnight seas. False prophet trembling under moonlight red, while righteous fire raise the living dead. Fire, fire, liberation fire. Liberation fire. Old preacher standing by the riverside, Bible in her hand with tears in her eyes. Say Babylon system built on thief and lie. One day wicked empire half it die. Police boots stamp on the innocent ground. Yet Nyabinghi drum still carry sound. Roots man chant till the mountain shake. Truth alone make corruption break. From Trenchtown yard to Spanish Town road, heavy burden pon the sufferer load. But Moses' rod still split Red Sea wide. Jah never leave the faithful side. Liberation fire burn tonight. Jah light shine pon the poor man right. Bibidum bum, bibidum bum, bibidum bum, bam bam bam, bibidum bum, bibidum bum, bibidum bum bam bam. Liberation fire, no blaze through the hills. Ancient prophecy stronger than them bills. Youth man rising with the lion heart strong, turning pain and oppression into song. No politician can buy Jah grace. No false ruler can hide them fears. Book of life reveal who stand true, while wicked kingdom sink like morning dew. So beat the drum till the sunrise glow. Let every captive soul know Jah kingdom come through roots and sound, and liberation soon cover the ground. Fire, fire, liberation fire. Jah guide the sufferers. Fire, Jah guide the sufferers. Oh now, Jerry what Babylon so. Oh now, Jerry what Babylon so. Oh now, cold wind blowing through the Kingston lane, sufferer praying through the hunger and pain. Babylon feast while the poor man starve. Politician thief every little reward. Me see old mothers crying in a rain. Youth man lost trying to escape the chain. But Jah promise written clear in a sky, like Moses rat lifting mountains high. The preacher want from the ancient scroll. Greedy system want control every soul. Yet lion heart still beat through the night, guided by the everlasting light. Harvest time in a Zion, Jah kingdom rise in a Zion. Harvest time come and the trumpet sound, fire upon every wicked ground. Falsehood are trembling behind them gate. Judgement day can't come late. Marcus vision still walk through the street. Black redemption standing on 2 feet. Babylon newspaper spread them lie, while innocent youth man slowly die. Revelation open before our eye. Blood moon hanging in a midnight sky. Yet righteous seed continue to grow, like river Jordan steady overflow. Zion, Zion, harvest, harvest. Zion, 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 harvest, harvest. Oh, Rasta man beside the burning drum, chanting freedom till the kingdom come. Send a corrupt leader shall remain. Every oppressor must feel them pain. Policeman roll through the ghetto slow, searching every youth them never know. Still Nyabinghi echo through the air. Spiritual fire standing guard. Children barefoot upon dusty road, carrying every generational load. But Psalm 23 guide them soul. Jah shepherd always keep control. Gather the righteous, leave Babylon behind. Gather the righteous, leave Babylon behind. Now the harvest right beneath the sun. Babylon kingdom begin to run. Truth revealed through roots and base. No wicked man can escape Jah face. So beat the drum till morning rise. Freedom shining in the sufferer's eyes. From Trenchtown straight to Zion gate. Righteous kingdom soon activate. The preacher speak and the people reply. One love forever till the day we die. And through this smoke and revolution sound, Jah everlasting truth still crown. Harvest time in a Zion, reap what you sow. Harvest time in a Zion. Go now, Jah reap what Babylon sow. Go now. Babylon walls are shake tonight. Hey. Babylon walls are shake tonight. Babylon walls through Jah holy light. Ghetto youth rise from the suffering ground, chanting freedom with a militant sound. Politricks dirty like muddy rain, greedy leader, prophet of the pain. Poor man crying in a concrete maze, while rich man laughing through smoky haze. Me hear Ezekiel will turn slow, fire from heaven ready fi flow. Corrupt empire built pan sand, soon collapse by Jah mighty hand. Tremble now, Babylon fall. Tremble now, Babylon fall. Soldier marching through the midnight lane, searching youth man like them all insane. Mothers praying by the candlelight as helicopter circle through the night. Yet Nyabinghi drum still beat so hard. Roots man standing spiritual guard. Marcus Garvey vision never dead, still burning deep in a people head. Babylon newspaper twist the truth, trying to poison the mind of youth. But Revelation chapter sound so clear, Judgement day already near. Walls, I tremble, 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 tremble. Walls, I tremble, 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 tremble. Old preacher stand upon the mountainside, Bible and chalice close beside. Say no wicked throne shall forever reign, every oppressor bound for chain. Kingston city full of fear and fight, blood-stained pavement every night. Yet lion heart refuse to bow. Jah children stronger even though, from Trenchtown straight to Spanish Town. Babylon system breaking down, Moses staff split the sea again. Freedom calling through the pain. Shut them down. Burn corruption, burn corruption, burn corruption. Shut them down. Burn corruption, burn corruption. Babylon was no cracker pot, truth and justice touch the heart. Youth man marching with the banner high, no more fear and no more lie. The preacher voice roll through the land like thunder shaking every hand. Roots and culture guide the way till brighter come another day. So be the best till the sunrise glow. Let every sufferer finally know Jah kingdom stronger than gold or gun, and righteous battle soon be won. Babylon walls, I tremble, Jah fire burn forever. Babylon walls, I tremble, Jah fire burn forever. Babylon, right up now. Chains can't hold the righteous. Chains break at sunrise today. Jah light open the righteous way. Sufferer crying through the ghetto night, still holding firm to the truth and right. Babylon build them kingdom pan greed, while poor man struggle for food and seed. Corrupt politicians fish and drinking fine wine, while hungry children stand in a line. Me see old preacher beside the gate, warning people before too late, like Jeremiah calling through the storm, telling youth man transform, break the chain. Freedom call, oh I freedom call, freedom call, oh I. Helicopter flying through Kingston sky, searching every youth them pass nearby. Police boot pounding dusty road, heavy pressure on the poor man load. But Nyabinghi drum still beat tonight, calling every soul fi stand and fight. Marcus words still burn like flame, black redemption shall remain. Book of Revelation open wide, judgment riding pon the time. Fast prophet trembling in a fear, cause your judgment drawing near. Sunrise, sunrise, boy, sunrise, sunrise, turns break. Ooh, 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 ooh. Turns break, turns break. Oh, me walk through Trenchtown after rain, seeing broken dreams and hidden pain. Mothers praying by the candle glow, begging Jah for mercy flow. Yet lion spirit never fade away. Roots man stronger every day. Moses rat still part the sea, setting every captive free. Babylon newspaper spread them lie, trying to keep the youth man blind. But truth rise higher than mountain peak, giving strength to the weak. Freedom rising, Jah guide I. Boy, freedom rising, Jah guide I. Now the sunrise touch the valley low, liberation fire begin to grow. Youth man marching with the banner high, no more fear and no more lie. The preacher chant through smoke and bass, no wicked throne can stop Jah grace. Roots and culture heal the land, justice walking hand in hand. So beat the drum till the morning bright, let every sufferer see the light. Cause chains break when the truth reveal, and Jah alone hold the final seal. Freedom for the sufferers, freedom for the sufferers, freedom for the sufferers. Hear the sufferers cry by the riverside tonight. Hear the sufferers cry by the riverside tonight. Sufferer cry. Sufferer cry by the riverside. Tears and pain them can't hide. Babylon whip on the poor man back, still Jah guide through the attack. Cool night falling pon zinc rooftop, police siren never seem to stop. hungry picnic barefoot in a street, searching every day for something to eat. Old preacher stand beside the stream, speaking truth like ancient dream. Like Moses walking through the storm, keeping righteous spirit warm. Suffer a cry. Jah hear them. Kingston city full of stress and fear, corrupt leader drawing near. Politricks poison every lane, spreading violence through the pain. Yet Nyabinghi drum still beat so low, like river water steady flow. Marcus vision still alive tonight, giving youth man strength to fight. Book of Psalms guide I soul, though Babylon seek to take control. Truth rise higher than the gunshot sound, and righteousness shall stand its ground. Riverside, cry, cry. Me see mother praying by candlelight, begging Jah to protect the night. Cause soldiers roaming every road, adding pressure to the heavy load. Yet lion spirit never fade away. Roots man stronger every day, children singing freedom song. Though the suffering lasts so long, Ezekiel fire burn through the sky, warning wicked empire must die. No corruption can forever reign. Judgment coming through the rain. Hold firm, Jah never sleep. Now the river carry the prayer downstream, washing sorrow clean unseen. The preacher voice roll through the land, calling people for unite and stand. Change shall break and truth shall rise. Freedom shining in the sufferer's eyes, from Trenchtown straight to Zion Gate. Jah kingdom soon fi regulate, so be devious till the sunrise glow. Let every captive people know, though Babylon bring war and pain, Jah love forever shall it remain. Suffer a cry by the riverside, Jah hear every tear. Jah hear every tear. Rastafari live, through the night. Nyabinghi drum never sleep at night, calling all the righteous to unite. Babylon trembling when the bassline roll, cause Jah fire burning in our soul. Ghetto youth rise from the dusty lane, bearing scars from poverty and pain. Corrupt leader feast on golden plate, while poor man suffer under heavy weight. Old Rasta chant beneath the moon, warning judgment coming soon. Like Joshua blowing trumpet sound, shaking wicked kingdom to the ground. Bingy drum, beat forever. Bingy drum, drum. till Jah kingdom finally come. Marcus words fly through the breeze, setting captive people at ease. Book of Revelation now reveal, Babylon corruption can't conceal. False prophet hide behind them wall, yet Jah judgment reach them all. Never sleep, drum keep beating. Never sleep, drum keep beating. By the riverside the fire still blaze, smoke rise high through the smoky haze. Children dancing barefoot in a dirt, trying to survive the system earth. Yet lion spirit standing tall, righteous sufferer never crawl. Moses' rod still split the tide, keeping faithful by Jah's side. Politicians spread them dirty lie, while innocent the youth man slowly die. But truth stronger than the rifle sound, and roots man wisdom still profound. Chant down Babylon, freedom for the nation. Chant down Babylon, freedom for the nation. Nyabinghi drum beat, Nyabinghi drum beat, Nyabinghi drum beat, Nyabinghi drum beat till morning light, guiding every soul through the night. The preacher voice roll through the land, calling every youth feet take a stand. No wicked throne can forever reign, every oppressor bound for chain. Jah kingdom rise through roots and dub, far beyond the city club. So beat the drum till the sunrise glow, let every captive people know, no Babylon bring war and fight. Rastafari truth still shine bright. Nyabinghi, drum never sleep. Rastafari live eternally. Prophet walking through Babylon with fire in him eyes. Da, 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 da. Prophet walk through Babylon street, dust and fire beneath him feet. Concrete jungle full of fear, yet Jah voice sounding clear. Corrupt leader sitting on throne, building riches from flesh and bone. Poor man crying through the night, searching heart for truth and light. Old preacher carry ancient scroll, speaking wisdom to the soul, like Isaiah warning every land. Judgment close at hand, walk on through Babylon. Walk on through Babylon. Police van crawling through the lane, youth man running from the pain. Gunshot ringing after dark, leaving sorrow upon the heart. Yet prophet never turn him face, still proclaiming Jah grace. Marcus vision guide him way through corruption every day. Book of Revelation open wide, Babylon no way fi hide. False prophet trembling in a a fear, cause the final hour near. Babylon, prophet walk. Babylon, true Babylon. Missy mothers praying in a yard, a soldiers patrol rough and hard. Children hungry by the gate, victim of the system hate. Still Nyabinghi drum beat strong, carrying freedom through the song. Lion spirit never fade away, growing stronger every day. Moses rod split the sea again, delivering people from the chain. Truth shine brighter than the sun, till Babylon kingdom done. Jah guide the prophet, truth forever. Jah guide the prophet, truth forever. The mountainside, seeing wicked empire collide, thunder rolling through the sky, as Babylon begin to die. The preacher chant through smoke and flame, calling every righteous name. Roots and culture lead the fight, turning darkness into light. So big the bass till morning rise, freedom shining in the people's eyes, and through the fire and suffering sound, Jah eternal truth still crow. Prophet walking through Babylon, Jah lead the way, Jah lead the way. Judgement here. Midnight calling, judgment here. Babylon, judgment on at midnight blow, warning every soul below. Babylon city full of sin, yet Jah fire closing in. Politricks spread across the land, corrupt rule of bloodstained and poor man suffer every day, while wicked feast and laugh away. Old prophet standing by the gate, telling people repent before late, like Noah preaching through the rain, before the flood wash away pain. Hear the horn, judgment come. Hear the horn, judgment come. Gun smoke rising through Kingston town, heavy fear when the sun go down. Police searching every lane, adding pressure to the pain. Still the righteous chant and pray, waiting for a brighter day. Marcus vision still alive, man fi survive. Book of Revelation reveal tonight. Babylon trembling from the light. 7 trumpets sounding loud, breaking through the dark cloud. Midnight. Hear the horn. Midnight. Hear the horn. Missy mothers crying in a yard. Life in a ghetto rough and hard. Children sleeping hungry still, while rich man living off them will. Yet Nyabinghi drum still beat, calling freedom through the street. Lion spirit standing tall, refusing fi bow or crawl. Moses rod divide the sea, setting captive people free. Truth burn brighter than the flame, and Jah kingdom shall remain. Judgment coming, Babylon falling, judgment coming, Babylon falling. Oh, now the midnight sky turn red, thunder rolling overhead. The preacher chant through smoke and fire, lifting every soul higher. No wicked throne can forever stand. Jah justice sweep across the land. Roots and culture lead the way, till freedom rise another day. So sound the horn till morning glow. Let every captive people know, though Babylon bring fear and war, Rastafari stronger than before. Judgment on. At midnight, blow, 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 blow. Judgment on. At midnight, blow, 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 blow. Children of Zion rise. Jah guide the little ones. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Children of Mount Zion stand tall. Though Babylon want see them fall. Barefoot youth pan dusty lane, growing through the hunger and pain. Concrete yard and zinc fence wall, still them hear Rastaman call, teaching wisdom from the ancient page. Truth stronger than Babylon rage. Old preacher standing by the gate, warning youth before too late. Like sufferers. Oh, police and Politricks rule the street. Heavy boot marching on bare feet. Babylon system cold like steel. Poor man hungry, can't find meal. Big man smiling on television screen, talking peace while the streets unclean. Corrupt leader drinking champagne wine, while youth man standing welfare line. Old preacher cry beside the square, warning people to beware. Like Jeremiah through the storm, calling righteous fi transform. Politricks, Babylon games. Politricks, Babylon games. Helicopter circling through the night, searching every youth inside. Gunshot echo through Kingston lane. Another mother drowning in pain. Policeman creeping through the yard, treating poor people rough and hard. Yet the rich man always safe, protected by the system gates. Marcos' teaching still survive, keeping black consciousness alive. Truth reveal, true roots and base. No corruption, stop Jah grace. Politricks, Babylon games. Politricks, Babylon games. Hey, 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 hey. Missy, innocent youth man fall, victim of Babylon protocol. False promises every election year, still the sufferers live in fear. Nyabinghi drum beat through the smoke, breaking chain from off the yoke. Moses' rod still part the sea, setting captive people free. Book of Revelation sound tonight. Judgment coming with Jah light. No wicked throne can forever reign. Every oppressor bound in chain. Freedom for the people. Freedom, freedom for the people. Ja, 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 ja. Police and Politricks lose control. Truth awaken every soul. The preacher voice roll through the town, calling Babylon kingdom down. Lion spirit rise again, healing generations of pain. Roots and culture lead the way till brighter come another day. So be the bass till morning rise, freedom shining in the people's eyes. Though Babylon spread fear and lies, Jah justice never compromise. Police and Politricks, they can't stop the truth. Police and Politricks. River Jordan flow. River Jordan carry I home tonight, far from Babylon. frustration, stress and fight. Sufferer walking through the rain, trying to escape the pain. Cold wind blowing through the heart. Life in a ghetto rough and hard. Yet your promise still remain, like sunshine after heavy rain. Old preacher standing by the stream, speaking truth from ancient dream. Like Moses leading through the tide, keeping faithful by his side. Carry I home, River Jordan flow. Kingston city dark and cold. Too much youth man lose them soul. Politricks spies in every lane, spreading violence through the pain. Still Nyabinghi drum beat low, like the river current flow. Marcus vision still alive, teaching black man to survive. Book of Psalms comfort higher, though Babylon tear life apart. Truth stronger than silver and gold, more precious than riches untold. Jordan, carry on. Me see mothers praying through the night as police helicopter flash them lights. Children sleeping, hungry still, while wicked leader chase them will. Yet lion spirit never die, though blood moon hang in our sky. Joshua trumpet soon shall sound, shaking wicked kingdom down. From Trenchtown straight to Zion gate, the preacher warned before too late. Your kingdom waiting on the hill, peaceful, righteous, calm and still. Guide I home, jolly the way. River Jordan, wash I pain away, giving strength we face the day. Chains shall break and truth shall rise, freedom shining in the eyes. The preacher chant through smoke and bass, no corruption stop Jah grace. Roots and culture heal the land, guided by the Father hand. So let the river continue flow, teaching every soul fi know. Though Babylon bring war and fear, Jah eternal love stay near. Hey, carry I home now, guide the sufferers. Carry I home now. Carry I home now. Ancient scrolls revealed tonight, redemption for the sufferers. Redemption open wide, truth and prophecy can't hide. Babylon kingdom built on greed, greed, while poor man struggle for food and seed. Old preacher reading by candle flame, calling every righteous name, like Daniel standing in the fire, still protected by Jah desire. Kingston streets full of fear, gunshot ringing loud and clear, yet lion spirit never bend, cause Jah promise never end. Redemption. Ancient scrolls. Politricks, spies in every land, spreading violence to the pen. Corrupt rule of peace tonight, while so far as searching the delight. Still Nyabinghi drum beat slow, like ancient river current flow. Marcus teaching still survive, keeping black consciousness alive. Book of Revelation now reveal, Babylon wounds can't conceal. 7 seals begin to break, causing wicked throne to shake. Scrolls of redemption. Me see mothers praying through the storm, trying to keep them children warm. Police van rolling through the night, filling every heart with fright. Yet roots man chanting by the gate, warning people before too late. Moses' rod still part the sea, setting every captive free. Truth rise higher than mountain peak, giving strength unto the weak. No corruption forever stand, when judgment sweep the land. Read the scrolls. Freedom coming. Now the redemption fire blaze, burning through Babylon days. The preacher voice echo through the town, calling wicked empire down. Children marching with banner high, freedom shining in the eye. Roots and culture guide the way, till brighter come another day. So be the be still, sunrise glow, let every captive people know. Though Babylon spread war and lies, Jah truth forever multiply. Scrolls. Redemption open before the righteous. Shaking down, dark cloud hanging over the street, heavy pressure upon bare feet. Youth man running through the rain, trying to survive the pain. Gunshot echo through the night, still Jah children hold them light. Old preacher standing by the square, warning people to prepare, like Elijah calling from the hill. from pain. Still Nyabinghi drum beat deep. Rootsman spirit never sleep. Marcus vision still alive, teaching black man fi survive. Book of Revelation open clear. Judgement hour drawing near. 7 trumpets soon shall sound, bringing wicked empire down. Kingston. Thunder roll. Missy mothers praying through the storm, trying to keep the children warm. Electric flash across the sky, like jar fire passing by. Yet lion spirit standing strong, turning suffering into sound. Moses' rod still split the tide, keeping faithful by Jah's side. Babylon newspaper spread them lie, while innocent youth man die. But truth rise high like mountain flame, and righteousness forever remain. Hold firm. Jah guide the sufferers. Now the thunder shake the land, freedom banner in a hand. The preacher chant through smoke and rain, breaking generations of chain. No wicked throne forever reign. Every oppressor feel the pain. Roots and culture lead the way, till brighter come another day. So beat the beast till sunrise glow. Let every captive people know, though Babylon spread war and fear, Jah eternal truth stay near. Thunder roll. Thunder roll through Kingston. Rastafari thunder. Raise the lion banner high, Babylon gate shall fall. Hey, la na 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 na. Hey, raise the lion banner high, Babylon gate shall fall. Raise the lion banner high, Babylon gate shall fall. Lion banner over Babylon gate. The preacher warned before too late. Wicked ruler trembling tonight, cause Jah children rise and fight. Concrete jungle filled with fear, gunshot echo drawing near. Poor man crying through the rain, while politician profit from pain. Old Rasta standing by the wall, chanting freedom to one and all, like David marching into war with faith stronger than before. Raise the banner. Lion of Judah. Policeman rolling through the lane, searching every youth again. Babylon system cold and grim, trying hard to weaken them. Still Nyabinghi drum beat deep. Rootsman spirit never sleep. Marcus teaching still survive, keeping black fight, searching hard for truth and right. Yet lion spirit never break. Though the earth and mountain shake, Moses' rod still split the sea, setting every captive free. False prophet hiding behind gold, selling lies to young and old. But your fire blaze through the night, burning corruption out of sight. Judah rise, freedom come. Judah rise. Now the lion banner touch the sky, Babylon walls begin to die. The preacher voice roll through the land, calling people to unite and stand. Roots and culture lead the way, guiding sufferers every day. No wicked throne forever reign, every oppressor bound in chains. So be the BS still sunrise glow, let every captive people know. The Babylon spread fear and lies, Rastafari forever rise. Lion banner over Babylon gate, Judah conquer. Lion banner, freedom chant in the valley, yeah. Rastafari live. Freedom chant in the valley, Rastafari live. Oh! Freedom chant in the valley. Freedom chanting in the valley tonight. Jah children searching for the light. Babylon pressure heavy upon the land, still the righteous firmly stand. Youth man walking barefoot road, carrying oppression heavy load. Politricks spread through every lane, planting sorrow, fear and pain. Old preacher standing near the hill, speaking truth with righteous will, like Joshua sounding battle on, warning Babylon from dusk till morn. Freedom chant in the valley, freedom chant in the valley. Kingston city dark with fear, police siren drawing near, gunshot ringing after dark, leaving wounds upon the heart. Still Nyabinghi drum beat slow, like river water gently flow. Marcus vision still survive, keeping black redemption alive. Book of Revelation open wide, no corruption can hide. False ruler trembling in a night, as Jah fire reveal the light. Valley freedom chant in the valley, freedom chant in the valley. Me see mothers praying through the rain, begging Jah to ease the pain. Children sleeping close together, hoping for a brighter weather. Yet lion spirit standing tall, righteous sufferer never crawl. Moses' rod still split the tide, keeping faithful by Jah's side. Babylon newspaper spread them lie, trying to keep the youth man blind. But truth rise high like morning sun, till wicked kingdom done. preacher voice shake the ground with a revolutionary sound. Roots and culture lead the way, guiding people day by day. No wicked throne forever reign, every oppressor bound in chain. So be the base till sunrise glow. Let every captive people know, though Babylon bring war and lies, Rastafari forever rise. Freedom chant in the valley, freedom for the sufferers. Judgement in the air tonight. Blood moon above Zion Hill tonight. Hey! Blood moon above Zion Hill tonight. Red sky glowing with prophetic light. Babylon trembling deep within, cause judgment soon begin. Youth fan wandering through the haze, lost in violence and fiery blaze. Politricks poison every lane, leaving sufferer bound in pain. Old preacher standing by the gate, warning people before too late. Like Ezekiel watching from the wall, calling righteous one and all. Blood moon rise over Zion. Bum 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 bye. Bye. Bum bum bye. Kingston city filled with fear, police siren drawing near, gunshot echo through the rain, another mother crying pain. Still Nyabinghi drum beat low, like ancient river steady flow. Marcus vision still survive, keeping black redemption alive. Book of Revelation now reveal, Babylon wounds can't conceal. 7 trumpets sound tonight, breaking darkness with Jah light. Blood moon Zion Hill. We see children by the roadside sleep, while wicked leader fortune keep. Concrete jungle, cold and grim, still Jah mercy shelter them. Lion spirit never break apart, truth still burning in our heart. Moses rod still split the sea, setting captive people free. False prophet hide behind gold chain, while poor man droning in a pain. Yet righteousness shall overcome when Jah kingdom finally come. Jah guide I through the night. Know the blood moon shine so bright over Zion through the night. The preacher chant through smoke and flame, calling every righteous name. Roots and culture lead the way, dub echoes from Trenchtown yard. Life in a the ghetto, rough and hard. Concrete wall and zinc fence gate. Youth man fighting against them fate. Babylon pressure upon every side. Still your children never hide. Gunshot ringing through the night. Yet roots man searching for the light. Old preacher chanting by the flame, calling every righteous name. Like Elijah speaking through the storm, keeping rebel spirit warm. From Trenchtown, from Trenchtown. Police van crawling through the lane, searching youth man once again. Politricks spies in every street, while poor man can't afford feet. Still Nyabinghi drum beat deep. Roots and culture never sleep. Marcus teaching still survive, keeping black redemption alive. Book of Revelation revealed tonight. Babylon trembling from delight. False prophet hiding in a fear, cause your judgment drawing near. Trenchtown, Trenchtown, Trenchtown. Missing mothers praying by candle glow, begging Jah for mercy flow. Children dancing barefoot still, though the city cold and ill. Lion spirit never fade away, growing stronger every day. Moses rod still split the tide, keeping faithful by Jah's side. Sound system shaking every wall, Rasta chanting through it all. Truth louder than the rifle sound, and righteousness forever crowned. Roots never die. Roots never die. Roots never die. Echoes fill the air, freedom vibration everywhere. The preacher voice roll through the town, calling Babylon kingdom down. Roots and culture lead the way, guiding sufferers every day. No wicked throne forever reign, every oppressor bound in chains. So be the best till sunrise glow. Let every captive people know, though Babylon spread war and lies, Rastafari forever rise. From Trenchtown, sound system, salvation. Woo! From Trenchtown. The preacher speak again tonight. Hear the warning. The preacher speak again tonight, calling sufferers to the light. Babylon city dark and cold, too much truth left untold. Youth man trapped in poverty chain, walking barefoot through the pain. preacher. Police sirens screaming through the night, searching every youth in sight. Gunshot echo through the lane, another family drown in pain. Still Nyabinghi drum beat low, like River Jordan steady flow. Marcus teaching still remain, calling freedom once again. Book of Revelation now reveal, Babylon wounds can't conceal. Seven trumpets sound tonight, breaking darkness with your light. Preacher, speak again. Me see mothers praying in a yard, life in a ghetto rough and hard. Children searching for a way, trying hard to live each day. Yet lion spirit never break, though the earth and mountain shake. Moses rod still part the tide, keeping faithful by just side. False prophet hiding behind wealth, while poor man struggle for them health. But truth stronger than silver and gold, more precious than riches untold. Hear the preacher, truth revealed. So be the days till sunrise glow. Let every captive people know the Babylon spread fear and lies. Rastafari forever rise. The preacher speak again. Hear the warning. The preacher speak again. Walking through the dust roads, searching for salvation. Of salvation tonight, sufferer walking toward the light, barefoot journey through the heat, Babylon pressure beneath them feet, old truck rolling through the lane, carrying workers filled with pain, politician promise turn to lie, while hungry children cry, old preacher standing by the road, speaking truth about the Lord, like Moses leading through the sand toward Jah promised land. Thus rose salvation call, Kingston city filled with fear. Police siren drawing near. Gunshot ringing after dark, leaving sorrow upon the heart. Still Nyabinghi drum beat deep. Rootsman spirit never sleep. Marcus teaching still survive, keeping black redemption alive. Book of Revelation revealed tonight. Babylon trembling from delight. Fast ruler hiding behind gold, while so far a battle cold. Dust rose, salvation. Me see mothers praying through the rain, begging Jah fi ease the pain. Children running through the yard, life in a ghetto rough and hard. Get lion spirit, never bow, righteous stronger, even though Joshua trumpet soon shall sound, bringing wicked empire down. Truth rise high like mountain flame, righteousness forever reign. Though corruption flood the land, Jah still guide with mighty hand. Walk on, walk on, towards salvation. Walk, 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 walk. Now the sunrise touch the hill, bringing peace, calm and still. The preacher chant through smoke and bass. No corruption, stop Jah grace. Roots and culture, lead the way, guiding sufferers every day. No wicked throne forever reign, every oppressor bound in chain. So beat the drum till morning glow, let every captive people know. Though Babylon spread war and lies, Rastafari forever rise. Dust roots, salvation. Dust roots, guide I home. Liberation never fade away. Rastafari forever. Liberation never fade away. Rastafari forever. Liberation never fade away. Though Babylon fight every day, sufferer standing to the star, keeping righteous spirit warm. Concrete jungle cold and grim, yet Jah light still will shine within. Politricks poison every land. Still truth rise and firmly stand. Old preacher walking through the square, warning people, feel prepare. Like Jeremiah through the flame, calling every righteous name. Liberation never fade. Liberation never fade. Police sirens screaming through the night, searching every youth in sight. Gunshot echo through Kingston town, trying to keep the people down. Still Nyabinghi drum beat deep. Roots and culture never sleep. Marcus teaching still survive, keeping black redemption alive. Book of Revelation revealed tonight. Babylon trembling from the light. False prophet hiding in a fear, cause the judgment drawing near. Fade away. Liberation. Fade away. Liberation. Hey. Missy mothers praying through the rain, begging to ease the pain. Children hungry by the gate, victim of the system hate. Yet lion spirit never break. Though the earth and mountain shake, Moses' rod still split the tide. Keeping faithful by Jah's side, truth rise high like morning sun, till wicked kingdom finally done. No corruption forever reign. Every oppressor bound in chain. Freedom forever. Oh. Jah guide us.